Okay guys, we have made it to the beach house. I'm literally so excited that we're here. We got here a little while ago, but yeah, today is the 5th and we're leaving the 12th, so we're gonna be here a little while and it's just gonna be our little family week at the beach. We are in Treasure Island, Florida, which is a little bit of a drive from our house, but we really wanted to be on the Gulf side of Florida. Really excited to be here. I've never went to the beach on the Gulf side of Florida, and I really do want to go to college in Florida, so it's a very happy time for Isabelle. We're coming here as a vacation and also for my birthday that is tomorrow, but this is just going to be a week at the beach and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, subscribe down below. Follow my Instagram because I'm going to be posting a bunch of pictures from this trip probably. Also, give this video a thumbs up so I get put into YouTube's algorithm. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm not going to be vlogging every single minute of every single day because that video would just be too long. So I'm just going to be vlogging the highlights of stuff, I guess. So I hung up all my tops that I'm bringing. If you didn't go watch my pack with me, definitely go watch that because it was hectic. Right now I've just been editing. You can kind of see that. I was supposed to get this video up today, but I didn't feel like editing in the car. But I'm gonna show you the ocean. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna update you on right now. Our parents are at the grocery store getting our groceries for the week, and me, Harper, and Quinn are just here. So I'm just gonna edit, and yeah, I guess I'll update you when something interesting happens. Hey guys, it's now 2 days later after I last vlogged, I'm pretty sure. I'm now 16. Basically, I've just been really off my YouTube grind. I had a bunch of stuff literally planned out, and I was also supposed to film a 16th birthday vlog and also vlog today and everything. So I've just really been off of it. But here we are, we're still in Florida. I didn't vlog anything yesterday, so there won't be a 16th birthday vlog, but here's a quick montage to sum it up.
Okay, so the first thing I did on my 16th birthday was drink coffee because it's essential. Then we went to the beach and buried Quinn in some sand. You know, fun times. Then we went to this place called John's Pass for dinner. It's basically this waterfront area. We had a really good dinner, kind of bad service, but the food was really good, so that was okay. Then we also watched this beautiful sunset while we were up on the balcony of this place to eat. Then we went back onto the boardwalk area and just watched all the lights on the water. We saw some dolphins. It was really cute and a great way to spend my 16th birthday. Also, all of these are on my Snapchat. Definitely go add me so you can see all these videos. And my mom made a fine line vegan cake at the beach, so massive props to her and my sister Harper because I love Harry and I needed cake. And now back to the video.
Today was basically our stay-in day. It's already 4:45, so I didn't really vlog today either. But we were at the beach all day. Tonight we're not going out to eat. We're all just relaxing and chilling because we definitely need it. Literally after 2 days. But yeah, let me just, I don't know, here's my bikini of the day, just a little OOTD. Here's the beautiful beach. It's so gorgeous. Our parents are still down there. You know what, Harper? We really should give them a tour because I feel like that's how vlogs usually start and we've really just been slacking. Here we are, 407. Come kidnap us. Give them our address. Harper, you're supposed to say, oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, where are you going? You're going. I'll give the tour myself. Basically, when you walk in, you have this lovely mirror. Love to see it, love to see it. We have our parents' room. Here's their closet. This is their bathroom, but Quinn's showering in there for the first time. How you doing? What do you mean? Are you okay? Okay. Moving on, we have me and Harper's room. It's a little bit of a wreck. Oh, there's Harpines. Here's our TV we've yet to use. Here's our view to stalk people. Then we have this nice closet where I've been using for my extra storage. We have a nice washer dryer. Here is
me and Harper's bathroom
with this really obnoxious fan. Now here's the kitchen. Yummy. Oh, food. Oh, there was my Here's my cake from last night. My mom did a fine line cake. She baked it vegan at the beach. Major props to her. Couches. This is where Quinn's been sleeping. Cot. caught life. Here's our balcony, nice chairs. Love to sit here in the mornings, eat my avocado toast. That's pretty much it. A bird did poop on our umbrella today. I've been taking lots of pictures with my disposable camera and I love it.
That's super fun.
Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Maybe, if I remember to. Okay. Good morning guys and welcome to Wednesday. I didn't vlog anything yesterday again, so here we are on Wednesday. We're on our way to Clearwater Marine Aquarium Hospital. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm probably not gonna be able to bring my camera in, or at least I'm not going to, because I just don't think that's a good idea. And I'm just gonna bring my phone. So any clips that I do get will be on my phone. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I did a little intro before we got there, but we're all very sunburnt and sore. So that's why we decided to try to stay out of the sun today. So that's what we're doing. I'm also getting my second piercing today and I'm really excited about it. I'm kind of nervous because my ear is sunburnt and I don't know if that's gonna make it worse, but we'll see how it goes. We'll update you when we get there.
I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Let's spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part. I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple.
I sound like that was easy. Okay, so after this I forgot to vlog, but we all went and got food and then we went back to the condo, got dressed. This was my outfit, super cute, and we went to this place for dinner called Shrimpies and it was really nice. It was on the water, there was a really pretty sunset, and it was a great ending to the night.
Like Toby in the corner getting ready to tumble down. I didn't read very many books. Oh no, my God. Hey, how you doing?
Okay guys, good morning and welcome to Thursday. Today I'm gonna try my absolute best to vlog at the pool and the beach because that's pretty much all we're doing today. It's kind of a relaxed day. I will see you guys down at the pool. Also, here's my little new piercing. Okay guys, we were out here at the beach. Here's Harpines. I don't know how well you can hear because of the wind and stuff, but I'm underneath my umbrella, so maybe you won't hear. Over there is Mom, Dad, and Quinn. There's Harper. We're probably about to go on a walk down the beach to look for some shells. We're out here in the ocean here, the Gulf of Mexico, reporting live. Current is very strong today. Ow! Oh my God! Getting killed out here. Yeah, it's very...
You can't see underwater.
Okay guys, it's a lot later now. I haven't vlogged since we were in the ocean getting killed by waves. Yeah, it's very... I'm drinking a Dr. Pepper now. Okay guys, so we're back in from the pool and the beach pretty much for the day. I know the last time I vlogged we were like just getting into the ocean, but basically my phone storage like completely ran out and I was planning on vlogging on that. That kind of sucked. Tomorrow we're going jet skiing and we're gonna get some henna tattoos and it's gonna be an interesting day, and we're also going out to eat, our last time going out to eat tomorrow night. I'm so like just surprised and disappointed in myself a little bit because of how badly I'm vlogging on this trip, but honestly I'm just like enjoying the trip. I'm enjoying time with my family and I love Florida. Literally want to move here so bad. Just wanted to give you a little update of where I'm at. Good morning guys and welcome to Friday. Right now we're on our way to go jet skiing. We're not jet skiing till 2 and it's almost 11 right now, but we're gonna go get henna tattoos and walk around John's Pass. That's what's going on. We'll update you when we get there. Some shaved ice. You can see all the nice flavors here. Quinn, Dad, Mom, we're all here.
You can really see my piercing here. Beautiful. Oh, and this is my outfit for the day. I'm just wearing this stuff. Change of plans. We went to Yogurt City. Here we have this. Everybody Okay, we're about to go jet skiing. I just had to take a boat test. I passed it, so it's okay. It's in this. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog jet skiing. I'm really not sure.
'Cause you say
I keep getting salt water in my eyes.
living in the summer, it didn't last too long. And Lord never loved her. I love the way she called. She called. Whoa.
Hello guys, we're at dinner right now. We're at a place called Sea Dogs. This is my outfit. And here's Harper and Quinn.
Here's Dad's outfit.
Here's Dad. It's Mom. We're all just loving life.
What up?
We have our root beer. We're here on the water. I don't know if you can see that. And I'll update you when we get our food. Food is here.
Look at your mom. Look at she's.
Look at this giant plate of nachos that Mom just got. I mean, get a nice focus on that. I don't know how you're supposed to eat that, but... Good morning, guys. Welcome to our last day here. Today is Saturday. We're leaving tomorrow morning, and I just woke up. This is the first time I'm actually vlogging in the morning, like when I wake up. Pretty much every day, I've just been making my breakfast and my coffee and sitting out on the patio. And I've just been watching the ocean because it's really pretty. Breakfast for today, we just have coffee and oatmeal. So yeah, today is just another beach and pool day, relaxed day, I guess. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and I will update you guys later. Okay guys, we're at the beach now, and I think I'm about to go in the water, so I will take you guys with me. I brought this like case thing, so hopefully we'll make it in. Okay, we are out here in the ocean. There's a rip current. Harper's out here. We're jumping these waves, or attempting to. Mom and Quinn are at the shore. There has just been a skee ball machine made. They made it out of some sand here. Now we just need someone to test it. All right, this is the first test of the skee ball machine. Oh! Oh! Okay, we are in from the beach, and now we're gonna go to the surf shop. Me and my mom went here the other day, and then I love this store, and it makes me want to be a surfer girl, but I can't because I don't live in Florida. Very, very sadly. I live in North Carolina. This is my outfit that I'm wearing. I made this shirt. Yes, she's Quinn. Mom and Dad are back there.
You're always talking about leaving. Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase?
Okay guys, we are back home. Obviously, it's been a long time since I've vlogged. Basically, we came back from the surf shop. We went to the beach, the pool more, and then... We're still at the hotel. We make it sound like we got home. Shh, okay, just stop. Then we walked basically a mile to this beach bar called Caddy's. We had some fries and some drinks, and that was fun. I didn't have my phone, otherwise I would have vlogged or did something, but I didn't. Then we walked all the way back. I sat and watched some people surf for a while. That was literally the highlight of my night. I sat there for like a long time, but yeah, it was just very sad that we have to leave tomorrow, so we can go back to North Carolina. Anyways, so I walked back and we just kind of like watched the sunset on the beach, and it was literally so cute. And then these two baseball dudes came up to me and asked for my Snapchat. So that was interesting. It was interesting. And if you're watching this, hi. So yeah, that was that. And now I'm packing. The most fun part of a vacation. I just shoved everything in my bag. Anyways, that's probably going to be all for tonight. I'm pretty much just leaving like first thing in the morning. So tomorrow I'm gonna listen to Juice WRLD's entire album on the way home because I haven't listened to it yet. I'm gonna go. Good night, and I love you guys.